Welcome everyone. I am Garge Kumar Pradhan of PM Shri JNV Sundargarh of class 10 of the team Photo Livons, and today I am present over here with my idea of LiFiGrid to solve a very crucial problem of our society based on technology, network and communication for this Viksit Bharat Buildathon 2026. So let's move ahead. So first we see what is the challenge in our society, the technological challenge I am talking about. So the challenge is the communication based challenge, a growing digital divide. So in today's days, we mostly use wireless communication, the basic Wi-Fi, the fiber we use today, but it has various problems because its speed is very low and the privacy we get is really low, and there should be a solution to solve it. Moreover, if we see other problems, then it is not very much good to download very bigger files, and it has security vulnerabilities and high power consumption. So what should we do? So let's see to our vision. Our vision is a connected, green and secure India. So we should have ultra fast connectivity, sustainable infrastructure and uncompromised security in our wireless systems. So here it is, the solution. The LiFiGrid, light-based data transmission system, which transmits data on the basis of light. LiFiGrid is a revolutionary optical wireless system which transmits the data with our existing LEDs. The LEDs we use in our houses, in our projects, in our models. With the basic principles of the LEDs and the light, we can transmit our data. Since in our normal fibers or wireless system, the Wi-Fi, we use radio signals to transmit our data. But since light is also electromagnetic, shows electromagnetic properties, it can also transmit the data and we can also receive it, and it will be very fast and secure since visible light do not penetrates the walls, and theoretically it can be 10 times faster than the Wi-Fi itself. Next, we will see the key features of LiFiGrid. The first one, it has very high speed. Think of the normal Wi-Fi we use in our houses, in our offices. Theoretically, it can reach the speed of 9.6 GB per second, but Li-Fi, it can reach up to 200 GB per second, which is very much fast, and we will need it in our future since the basic concept of IoT is coming over, and the influencers and the office workers, they have to download very big files, and we need speed for that since we have to secure our time. Then it is more secure than the Wi-Fi since it can penetrate over walls or something block over. Then it is energy efficient since we are using the existing LEDs, so it is much more efficient than the Wi-Fi. And then it can have AI controlled adaptability. The LiFiGrid which you are saying can be controlled by AI to make it more adaptable to the situation, and we can fit it with a hybrid backup system, a hybrid RF backup system. We can fit a small Wi-Fi module or a Bluetooth module inside the Li-Fi transmitter, so that when the light is being obstructed or blocked, the RF module will turn on and the data transmission will go on. Next, we will see about the transformative applications. It has various applications and it can solve the very big problem of this technology of wireless communication. The first thing, we can use it in the smart classrooms, then in hospitals, then in airports and metro, and very importantly rural internet, since every rural area can't have its Wi-Fi, since every rural area can't receive the Wi-Fi signals, but light is everywhere. We can use Wi-Fi in the rural areas and even in defense network, and moreover we can use it underwater too. The next one is the innovation and impact. We can make a number of innovations in the LiFiGrid, and the major one is lens integrated optical module. Since the light has to be very good enough to transmit the data we want, to transmit the big data. So it has to be integrated with some lenses and optical modules. Then it can be AI driven, which is more good, better for us, since it will not need the human interference anymore. And then the hybrid system structure, which will make it more efficient and will stop our time consumption. Then we have to think of the roadmap to how to implement it. The first step for this will be prototype development. We have to 3D print or we have to make some model or anything we can get efficiently to make a model, a LiFiGrid transmitter, so that we can test either it is transmitting the data efficiently or better in a better way or not. Then the next one is field testing refinement. In a very good classroom, we can test it whether it is good to use or not. And then the best and the last one is scalable integration. We have to make sure that it is cost effective and it matches the standard the people want in the very vast market of this wireless communication era. And finally, we come to a conclusion that LiFiGrid and Viksit Bharat can be connected in a very good way to boost our India's economy and efficiency. It is for our digital India, which will grow in a very high speed. It provides a smart infrastructure and a green growth, since no pollution is being done, and is really important for our next Atmanirbhar Bharat. So thank you all.